Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have taken the MCQs question on chapter preamble of the constitution. चलिए फ्रेंड्स देखते हैं एक एक क्वेश्चन को. Is part of the constitution of India is, so this statement the option is true according to the Berubari case, option B true according to the Keshwananda Bharati case, option C false and option D none. So the correct answer is option B. According to the Keshwananda Bharati case, the preamble is part of the constitution. So the second question is preamble did not have which of the following terms in the original constitution. So the options are secular, integrity, option B, option C both A and B, and option D none. So the correct answer is C, option C. Question number 3. So which country inspired India to have a preamble to our constitution? The options are UK, option B USA, option C Japan, and option D Russia. So the correct option is B. So the USA inspired India to have preamble to our constitution. The question number 4 is which term in the preamble is a part of the basic structure doctrine? So the options are democracy, equality, secular, and all of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the options are correct because the democracy, equality, and secular are the terms in the preamble is a part of the basic structure doctrine. So the question number 5 is which of the following is true about the preamble? The option A is amendable, non-justiciable, option C both 1 and 2, and option D none. So the correct answer is C, both 1 and 2. So amend the preamble for the first time. So the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1977, option C 42 Constitution Amendment Act of 1978, and the option D is none. So the correct answer is option A, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 amend the preamble for the first time. So which amendment amend the preamble for the second time? So फ्रेंड्स मैंने इसका आंसर गलती से नहीं लिखा है, इसका आंसर मैं आपको बाद में बोल दूंगी. सो 8-1 क्वेश्चन को जाते हैं. द आइडिया ऑफ लिबर्टी हैव बीन अडॉप्टेड इन अवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फ्रॉम. द ऑप्शंस आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ यूएसए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ रशियन रेवोल्यूशन, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज नन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. So the idea of liberty have been taken from the adopted from the Russian Revolution. So the question number 9 is preamble was came from word preambulus dash preambulus. So the options are Greek, Latin, French, and D none. So the correct answer is B, Latin word. And the question number 10 is who said preamble is a political horoscope? That so is option number 10 क्वेश्चन ही बनाए थे मैंने. सो और क्वेश्चंस बाद में देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर आपको मेरा